Hi guys. Welcome to Essential Kitchen. 10 small kitchen ideas to steal so you never feel uncomfortable again. The kitchen is one of the most important rooms in our home. We all dream of a spacious kitchen with sky-high ceilings and tons of natural light pouring through massive windows. In reality, though, most of us make do with small, oddly shaped ones. But it doesn't have to be so bad. In fact, with the right small space solutions and stylish design ideas, it really doesn't matter what size your space is. Keep watching for 10 clever and chic small kitchen ideas to steal so you never feel like a claustrophobic cook again. We promise these tricks will help you make the most of your counter space and cabinetry. 1. Get some statement lighting. Is anyone actually going to notice how big or small your kitchen is when you've got an amazing piece of statement lighting? Definitely not. 2. Store things on top of cabinets. Small kitchen design ideas. If you've got space between your cabinets and your ceiling, you've got storage. Add wicker baskets and it's the perfect spot to keep lesser used tools. 3. Pare down. Do you really need 25 extra bowls? Pare down your kitchen stuff to the bare minimum and you'll be surprised how much space you actually have. That way, your textural materials can really pop. 4. Keep it classic. Here's one more reason to love subway tiling. Lay it horizontally all around your kitchen and it will help the space feel wider. And stick to a neutral, bright palette for a classic look. 5. Go high gloss. Small kitchen with tile floors. Here's another. The blush pink and deep aqua lacquered cabinets are reflective, which means they make the space feel large, like the classic mirror trick, but colorful. 6. Use your green thumb. Plants make everything feel happier, even small kitchens. Plus, if you get great light, why not make use it? Cleverly put a large plant on top of the fridge to brighten up the space. 9. Ditch the hardware. Small kitchen cabinet ideas. Skip bulky hardware on your cabinetry and drawers. It'll help your space look more streamlined and sleek. Going monochrome will also make it feel like a jewel box. 10. Embolden a galley kitchen. Small galley kitchen. Sure, galley-style kitchens lack counter space. But you can make up for it by thinking of the space in stations. An area to prep, an area for stovetop cooking, and so on. Then you can make dinner assembly line style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Comment and give me a thumbs up if you like the video.